Welcome, my name is Balazs and we're here at the Contest 2017 with an HP tablet PC. That's the Spectre X2, but the 2017 model. So we have the latest Kaby Lake processor inside here with a beautiful metal case, really nice design on the back, as you can see here with this little feet with a full metal design. And then on all the outside we have a few ports and a nice metal aluminum design with a USB Type-C connector here. Then also a volume rocker and a Bang & Olufsen logo. On the top we have fan vents for the i7 and i5 processor to be cooled quite nicely, but also an on and off switch. And then on the next side we have here the headset jack, SD card slot and USB Type-C again for charging with this tiny little LED. On the bottom you only have a connector for your keyboard, which is magnetic, like on a Surface, for example, by Microsoft, and you can easily just connect like that. And if you're already connected, you can hit the Windows button and start up the camera, which we have on the front and the back. Where's the M button? There. You can take off the keyboard and you can see the nice little front camera, which is actually a dual front camera solution, so you can use Windows Hello. But on the back you have also a nice camera, which is quite nice and quick and has good resolution to it and can shoot nice photos with even autofocus. If you don't want to use your fingers doing all of this, you can use a stylus, so you can just close up the camera like that, and then you can use with the active digitizer also here the whole tablet as a drawing board, especially thanks to this nice little metal solution for the leg. You can tilt back all the way like this, and then you can have it standing on the table like this and easily draw anything you want on this nice Spectre X2, available now with Bang & Olufsen sound, as I mentioned, and this really nice little chiclet keyboard which folds up quite nicely and has even a little bit of space for your stylus needs. So that much tuning in. Don't forget to subscribe. My name is Balazs and this was the HP Spectre X2 2017 model here from the Contest 2017.